Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video, and today I'm going to install the LED underglow light to my Scion FRS. So this kit is $70. I'll link it down below. I believe the brand is called Korjo. Correct me if I pronounced it wrong or so. But yes guys, in this video today I will be showing you guys how to wire them, how to connect them, and I will show you guys all of the tools that you guys need to finish installing this LED light. And I'll link everything down below. So make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, because I already did the hard work for you. So you won't have to do your research, because this video I'm gonna show you guys everything, alright? So yeah, anyways, let's hop into the video. So what comes inside the box, it is the LED strip light, it is the instructions, it is the cigarette lighter, it's a wire. This is connected to the wire, but I just took this thing out because we're not gonna need this. And then it comes with hardware and zip ties, and this is all it comes with the box. But what you guys need to buy, it is this. I'll link it down below. This is called an adapter for your guys' fuse. Definitely gonna need this, and I'll show you guys how to use this to connect to your guys' fuse. And this is at AutoZone. I believe this is $30. I'll link a similar link to like this box down below. And you guys are gonna need some towels and some alcohol. This is just for cleaning, to get the dirt and debris out. And this is all you need. Alright guys, so the first thing what you need to do is jack up the whole entire car, right? So this is the first thing. Alright guys, so once you guys have finished jacking up the car, what I recommend doing is separate these on so if like this side goes on the front, put it on the front. So, and if this side goes on the side, put it on the side. So you guys will know which side goes on which side, so it will be way easier to install this thing. So when I said put them on their separate side, so kind of like this. So this is the longer side, so it goes on this side, and these are for the rears. So this one's gonna go over here. So if you guys do this, the install should be way easier. So you guys want to keep everything very organized, so everything will go super smooth. Alright guys, so this is the time where these comes in handy, right? So I'm gonna go under here, and I'm gonna clean all of the dirt and debris with this alcohol and these wipes. So the 3M tape on these strips will actually stick on it. So what you guys need to do is just pour some alcohol in here. I already kind of poured it, but you guys might need 2 of these, or any type of fiber, or something to clean the dirt out. So I'm gonna use these instead, and alcohol. You guys can use water too, but alcohol after the water should be way better, right? So time to clean. So for the rear, I just stripped this side on the heat shield, and then another one on that heat shield, and then I connected the wire through here, and then this one is gonna connect to the side skirt over there. Alright guys, so I got all of the wires in. I'll show you guys how I did it. So for every single car it's different, but for me on this side, I have a side skirt, but I didn't glue it on the side skirt, but I glue it under here. But on the other side, I glue it on the side skirt, which I will show you guys. So on this side, as you guys can see, it's not glued on right here, it's glued on the side skirt. It's very tight. I should have glued the other side to the side skirt, because the 3M tape holds way better with the plastic. And then this is the wiring. I just zip tie these wires right here. So for the front guys, so technically these is too long, and I don't have anything to cover here, so technically there's a whole bunch of mess right here, and there's a whole bunch of wires still right here, but it's not gonna touch the ground. Zip it tight up, it's not gonna go down or anything. See, it's a mess here. So I believe you guys can do it by you guys own, how you guys like it. I just did this. If it's secure, then it's secure. So for anyone, you guys can do it by you guys' own, the way how you guys like it. And it literally took me 4 hours just to do all of these. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, so this wire is from the cigarette lighter, so I just chopped it off with this thing. So this thing, you're gonna need it at Walmart. They have it, AutoZone they have it, but I got this on the bundle with the box that I got it from AutoZone for $30. And what you need to do, just measure the length that you need. So if I say I need this much, and then I'm gonna just come down here, and I'm gonna use this edge right here, and I'm just gonna chop it off like this. What you guys need to do now is to expose these wires. So technically you just plug it into one of these 18 or something like that, and then you're just gonna strip it like this until this wire shows up. See, no wire, exposed wire right here. Yeah, as you guys can see. And then now you just do the same thing on the positive. Bam, and this is it. And then now this should go to your negative, and this should go to your fuse. All right, so what you need now, it is the fuse adapter and I believe this is called the butt ring connector. I'm not sure, don't roast me in the comment, but all you need now is just the fuse adapter and this thing just to tap into your negative. So this is your negative right here for this thing, and then your fuse is for your positive. It's gonna tap into your fuse, as you guys can see right here. You know, the positive, which is your solid red, not your red and black. So for the solid red, and then for your adapter fuse, what you need to do is just plug it in like this, and then just squeeze it. Bam. And then it should be tight, and then it should connect exactly like this. All right, and then for this connector ring right here, what you need to do is the stripe, the red and black, you just plugged it in on the same thing like this till it's exposed, and then you just squeeze again, and then this should become your negative. So from the wire, how I wired it, or like how I put it in, so this little hole here, so there's like, so this part right here, guys, what you want to do is like stick like the wire in it. So as you guys can see, I stick to the wire in it, and then if you go inside now, let's use the flashlight. Bam, right here, guys. Bam. So it just came through, and then now you can tap into your fuse right here. Alright guys, so like when I said from earlier, so your black and red wire is your ground wire. So technically you can bolt it down to anything. I just bolted it down to here. Technically you can bolt it down to anything. It has to be into like a metal of the car. So I'll just ground it right here, since it's like a board here, and then it's touched to like the ground and to like the metal of the car. So hopefully that makes sense. So technically your negative can go anywhere, but it just has to be touched by the car's metal. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is your fuse adapter, and as you guys can see, it's kind of hard to see. So like this is your fuse box, and technically you can tap it into any type of fuse box, but I'm gonna tap into the 15 AMP just so I can turn it on and off while the car is not on. So technically if the engine is off, I can still turn it on by plugging it in into the 15 AMP. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is the 15 AMP. So the blue is the 15 AMP. I just plugged it into the adapter fuse, and then now you're just gonna plug it in back into where you took out the 15 AMP out, and then you just plugged it in, and then it should work. So then now technically all you need to do is just plug it into the 15 AMP where you took the 15 AMP out. So then now, so it came from here, and then now it's at the same place, and then this should work now, guys. So once you plug everything back in, like you can like tuck in the wires like over here, zip tie, tucked it in over here, and bam, and like you like look at it like this, you won't even see it, guys. All right guys, so it's the next day. So as you guys can see, I got the LED lights on, so everything was super easy. It was like my first time wiring. I mean, it's not my first time wiring. I wired these headlights too. If you guys are interested, it'll be linked down below for the VLAN headlights. But for the wiring, everything is super easy. My first time installing an Underglow, so if I can do it, you guys can do it too. I believe in you guys, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, overall, it's so clean. It's so bright. I love it. By a touch of the phone, you know, you can change all of the colors. Like, damn, let's see. Like, let's put on the like this one, or like this one, just by a click of like the phone. See, and like you can also change like colors to this too, or this, you know, any type of color you want, you can do it by the phone, you know. But I like this one a lot because it's like hella cool, you know. I mean, as you guys can see from like the bumper, like the light is like not really up towards the bumper or like stick to the bumper, because like I'm gonna get a new bumper, so I didn't want to stick the 3M tape to like the bumper, so it's not that bright. And I also messed up by not putting this side on the side skirt, because as you guys can see, it is not bright at all compared to the other side. The other side is way more brighter. So as you guys can see, this side you guys can see it a lot more. And then at the back, like come back over here, so as you guys can see from the back, like damn, like that booty though, guys. Like as you guys can see, this is like legit my favorite one, you know what I'm saying? Because look, like you can change it to hell colors you want. I usually write it with purple, yeah, kind of like blue or purplish, kind of like, yeah, like with this color, gang, you know what I'm saying? So I like this a lot. It's hella legit. I got tons of compliments while like writing this, so I truly recommend it too. I think in Cali, blue and red is not legal. I'm not sure, don't quote me on it, but I usually write with purple or white. That's what I usually write with. But yeah guys, so I guess this will be the end of this video, and you know, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, smash the like button and check out my channel. Alright, if I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing, and if you guys got something from this video, make sure to smash the like button too. You know, let me know in the comment down below if like I helped you out or not. So yes guys, for the meantime, I'll catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire.